Martin Luther King Jr., a Georgia historian. Each January, Americans celebrate the day Martin Luther King Jr. was born. It has been a national holiday since 1983. Many communities hold a Martin Luther King Jr. Day of service. This is a day when people work together to help others in need. When we help people, we are showing compassion. We're caring for others. Dr. King wanted to make the world a better place because he had compassion. Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. was born and lived most of his life in the South. That put him in a perfect place to be a leader for change. Many laws in the South were unfair. It would take lots of courage and patience to change the laws, but he knew someone had to lead the fight. He decided to be that leader. Dr. King talked and acted with civility. That means he didn't say or do mean things. He talked to people and tried to convince them that unfair laws should be changed. He believed using kindness to change things was better than using violence. It might take longer, but he knew it was the right thing to do. Dr. King had patience. In 1955, Rosa Parks was arrested in Montgomery, Alabama, because she wouldn't move to the back of the bus. African Americans came together and chose Dr. King as a leader. Dr. King led a boycott of buses in that city. To boycott something means not to buy it or use it. African Americans in Montgomery refused to ride buses for more than a year. In 1963, Dr. King led a protest in Birmingham, Alabama. African Americans were not allowed to eat in many restaurants. They wanted to change that. Dr. King was arrested and put in jail for days. Later that year, he gave his famous "I Have a Dream" speech in Washington, D.C. In 1964, he received the Nobel Peace Prize for his work to get equal rights for people of all races. People started to see that Dr. King was doing the right thing. Americans of all races joined the marches and protests. Because of their courage, many unfair laws changed. Dr. King will never be forgotten. People all over the world have heard his speeches and read his books. Courage, civility, patience, and compassion were all part of Dr. King's character. These qualities made him a man to look up to, a man to honor, and a man to remember.